Got your homemade still here. We got a stainless steel pressure cooker from Walmart. It's $49. Has to be stainless steel. You cannot use aluminum. We also got a little cheap $16 hot plate from Walmart, because you don't want to use gas, obviously, when you're working around alcohol. You're going to need some corks. Couple corks, couple sizes here and there. Here's actually one. You're going to use it to put your temperature gauge in, obviously. And you're going to use it for your pressure release over here. This is a pressure release. You're going to cork that off so no pressure gets out. You don't want no leaks in the system whatsoever. Obviously, it's flammable, which you're working around, and you don't want anything to leak and catch on fire and blow yourself up. Teflon works great. You can actually use it and it won't contaminate your alcohol. Teflon. This pressure cooker actually had a piece in it for a safety release, a cap that went on this. Anyways, we put Teflon around it and wrapped it, and then put our 3/8 gauge copper tubing, which goes in our 5-gallon bucket. We just put that around it and it fits on there perfectly. So, got our copper tubing, goes down to our 5-gallon bucket. We actually made a bracket 2 inches spacing for our coil spiral. Gives you a nice real slow run, gives it a nice time to, turn back into a liquid. You're going to need some glue. I use JB Weld here. You're also going to need some caulk or sealant, some sort, right there. This is where it comes out. Obviously, you can see it dripping here. Sometimes it drips fast, sometimes it drips slow. It's all determined on your spiral. So if you get your spiral down correctly, then you'll be alright. If you don't, then it's going to drip like how it's dripping here. Sometimes it drips fast, sometimes it drips really slow like it's doing now. We are just running wine today for a test run, pretty much. We just got this setup just up and running. Actually works very well. You never want to cook over 212. I would never go over 210, really, because obviously water boils at 212. So if you're boiling over 212, then you're going to cook over. Okay? So you want to stay around maybe 200 at the most, 180 at the least, and you're going to run really slow at 180. So we're running some white wine today just to make sure everything's working good. We actually have cornmeal and oats fermenting right now. And I just wanted another bottle, as you can see here, to ferment in. We actually have 6 ounces here already run. It's very clear. This wine gives you kind of a fruity alcohol kind of taste. It's actually very good. It's a little burny. If you could, always slower the better. You never want to cook fast. I started cooking too fast at the beginning, and it gives you the first 2 ounces you always want to throw out because it's acetone, obviously, but it gives you more of a cloudy, yellower, murky, and you don't want to drink that. That's bad. It's getting burnt. You're cooking it too fast. So slow it down a little bit. Slower the better. You never want to rush because your end product's going to be your rush product. So, nice and slow. You can see here, it's dripping real nice. We already have we almost have 6 ounces here again. Looks like 5 about now. So, that's about it, guys. Real cheap, simple way to make alcohol. It's not a system for you to, make millions of dollars on, but something you can have fun with. Kind of a science project. And hopefully here next week we'll run the cornmeal and oats. This is supposedly pretty good. We'll have our hydrometer. We'll show you a hydrometer test. And that's about it for right now. Thanks for watching.